Here's Mr. Prithvidev of class 9 from Kanak School telling something about rule in chess. Will you take the time, please?
So the rule is that, sir, if you have only one king from your side and the other king, and you are left with the pawn, then if the pawn is on the line of H or the line of A, then it is considered as draw.
You take this. There is a. This is the playground here, and this is the A, and that is H. What you are telling is, if the pawn is in either of this H or A,
Then it is considered as
then
draw.
then it is considered as draw.
Draw. If you have only left with the pawn,
Yes.
and if it is in the line of A and H,
A and
it
H.
is considered as draw.
Acha. So nice.
But in the middle of B to G, it is not considered as draw.
Yeah, not considered.
Because the reason is,
Ah.
if we have a game like this, sir,
Ah.
so at this moment the king will be threatening the pawn.
Pawn.
And so what the black king will do is that he will do friction. In this moment, sir, we have to go either here or here,
Correct.
because he can't come over in front of the king. Then the king will fight it. So if he goes to the left,
Left. Then you get the chance to
then the king will fly to the left, the opposite side,
opposite side.
and
Then you can proceed with the pawn.
then we can proceed the pawn. And like this, we will finish it up to the queen, and we will still end the game.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.